To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here.
Remove the bolts using a 10mm socket.
Lift the housing and free the tabs from their catch. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside.
Install the filter so that the non-rounded corner is seated on the back left side.
Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in.
Reinstall the bolts.
Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.